Just staying home and eat. This is what we call eat out.
Hey.
Eat out. Eat out outdoor. It's cheaper.
There's rice right here.
My life. Squid. I mean octopus. We're waiting for the. Octopus, baby octopus.
Take some big active block bags and shovel that shit in with
Now, we're gonna come up.
them.
What are you doing?
The girls are down, the two boys are up still. Although it's still hot at the moment. Lucky we have the swamp cooler. You have shorts, it's just fine.
That's not short.
Who cares?
That's boxers.
Who cares? It's not showy. Still, I can't wait for this beach to grow bigger. I'm really counting on this one. It's growing so slow, but hopefully by next year it'll be situated already. We'll see. My mandarin, and it's getting juicy now. Except for this one. But some of them are actually juicy. They're getting bigger now. Almost the same size as in the store. Except, yeah. Are you ready to sing? Let's all sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Because I'm around there.
All together. Outdoor. Happy 47th birthday to me.
Yay.
Yay.
And then you're in a week after that.
I know, back to back.
Your birthday's on a Monday.
And then Tito, and then Maya, and then the rest of the in-law families. Oh, may gulay. All celebration on mid